Kingfishers are a group of small to medium-sized, brightly colored birds in the order Coraciiformes. The group is treated either as a single family, the Alcedinidae, or as a suborder Alcedines containing three families, Alcedinidae, river kingfishers, Halcyonidae, tree kingfishers, and Cerylidae, water kingfishers. Most species have bright plumage with few differences between the sexes. A few species, principally insular forms, are threatened with extinction.
Several fossil birds have been erroneously ascribed to the kingfishers, including Halcyonidae, from the lower Eocene rocks in Kent, which has also been considered a gull, but is now thought to have been a member of an extinct family. The few species found in the Americas, all from the family Cerylidae, suggest that the sparse representation in the Western Hemisphere resulted from just two original colonizing species. The smallest species of kingfisher is the African dwarf kingfisher, Alcedinidae, which averages 10.4 grams in weight and 10 centimeters in length. The bill is usually longer and more compressed in species that hunt fish, and shorter and more broad in species that hunt prey off the ground.
Most species have four toes, three of which are forward-pointing. The irises of most species are dark brown. A number of species have reached islands groups, particularly those in the South and East Pacific Ocean. The 6 species occurring in the Americas are 4 closely related green kingfishers in the genus Coraciiformes and 2 large crested kingfishers in the genus Cerylidae.
Individual species may have massive ranges, like the common kingfisher, which ranges from Ireland across Europe, North Africa, and Asia as far as the Solomon Islands in Australasia, or the pied kingfisher, which has a widespread distribution across Africa and Asia. Other species have much smaller ranges, particularly insular species which are endemic to single small islands. Other species live high in mountains, or in open woodland, and a number of species live on tropical coral atolls.
Numerous species have adapted to human-modified habitats, particularly those adapted to woodlands, and may be found in cultivated and agricultural areas, as well as parks and gardens in towns and cities. Individual species may specialize in a few items or take a wide variety of prey, and for species with large global distributions, different populations may have different diets. Like all Coraciiformes, the kingfishers are cavity nesters, with most species nesting in holes dug in the ground. Some species may nest in holes in trees, the earth clinging to the roots of an uprooted tree, or arboreal nests of termites, termitarium. These termite nests are common in forest species.
The majority of these are forest species with limited distribution, particularly insular species. The Marxan kingfisher of French Polynesia is listed as critically endangered due to a combination of habitat loss and degradation caused by introduced cattle, and possibly due to predation by introduced species. While they are often associated with rivers and lakes, over half the world's species are found in forests and forested streams. In most species, no overt differences between the sexes exist. The kingfishers have long, dagger-like bills,